Ever wonder how you deposit a check when life gets crazy busy? Maybe you're a freelancer who just got a fat payment, or perhaps you're a student juggling classes and a part-time job. Whatever the reason, traditional bank hours might not exactly align with your hectic schedule. That's where mobile deposit comes in, a lifesaver for anyone who wants to ditch the ATM line and deposit checks from the comfort of their couch. But with so many banks out there, the question remains, does yours offer mobile deposit? If you're a Capital One customer, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into everything Capital One mobile deposit, how it works, what types of checks you can deposit, and some handy tips to make the process smooth sailing. So, grab your phone, settle in, and get ready to learn how to deposit checks like a mobile banking pro. Capital One mobile deposit, your questions answered. First things first, how exactly does mobile deposit work with Capital One? It's actually quite simple. Capital One has a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to deposit checks electronically. All you need to do is log into the Capital One mobile app. This should be a breeze if you're already a registered user. Locate the deposit feature, look for a button or icon that says deposit or something similar. It's usually next to the account you want to deposit the check into. Snap clear pictures. The app will guide you through taking photos of the front and back of your check. Make sure there's good lighting and a flat surface for clear, crisp pictures. Enter the deposit amount. Double-check the amount for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Submit and relax. Once you've reviewed everything, follow the app's prompts to submit your deposit. You will usually receive a confirmation message letting you know your deposit is in process. But wait, there's more. Before you go on a mobile deposit spree, here are a couple of important things to keep in mind. Check eligibility. Not all checks are created equal. Capital One generally accepts U.S. personal, business, and government checks. However, there might be exceptions. Be sure to check the Capital One website or app for a complete list of ineligible checks, think post-dated checks, anything older than 6 months, etc. Daily deposit limits. Capital One has daily deposit limits to ensure security. These limits can vary depending on your account type, so it's always best to check beforehand to avoid any surprises. Endorsement do's and don'ts. Remember to sign the back of your check before taking a picture. Also, write for Capital One mobile deposit next to your signature. This helps prevent anyone else from cashing the check. Security first. Mobile deposit is a fantastic feature, but security is always paramount. Here are some quick tips. Never deposit a check twice. Once you've submitted a mobile deposit, hold onto the physical check until the funds are reflected in your account. Then, shred it securely to prevent misuse. Beware of phishing scams. Be cautious of any emails or calls claiming to be from Capital One about your mobile deposit. The bank will never ask for your personal information through these channels. Keep your app updated. Ensure you have the latest version of the Capital One mobile app to benefit from the most recent security patches. So, there you have it. Capital One does indeed offer mobile deposit, making check deposits a breeze for busy individuals. With the helpful tips we covered, you can now deposit checks from anywhere, anytime, with complete confidence. Remember, for the most up-to-date information on mobile deposit limits and eligibility, always refer to the Capital One website or app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.